I'm Tom for Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Baseus 65-watt USB-C GAN Pro charger. So Baseus sent me this to check out, so thank you for that. This is a super powerful charger that you can use to charge all of your devices, everything from your iPhone or your Android phone to tablets, iPads, all the way up to a MacBook or a Chromebook. And it's hard to find a small, compact charger that's able to handle enough power to be able to charge small laptops like that. But this one is able to source that, again, using that GAN technology that's very energy efficient and is able to pack a lot of charging power into a device that's really pretty small here. So I've got it plugged in here in my workshop. I'm just going to yank it out and we can take a look at this in more detail. So it just plugs into a standard outlet here. Input can be 100 to 240 volts, so if you have an adapter, you can plug this in another country. This just clicks in and out, so it's easy to throw this in a suitcase for travel or in your laptop bag. Pop that open. When you plug it in, you then get these USB-C ports, and you can plug your phone cable or anything that you want to into either of these top two, or you can plug a full USB cable in here if you want to plug in something, again, a little bit heftier, or if the charging cable for your phone comes with the full-size USB port at the other side. So you can plug these in, and 65 watts of charging power is a lot. Again, if you're going to charge a laptop, a Chromebook, that kind of thing, you're going to need that kind of power to be able to do quick charging on there. And this is compatible to be able to quick charge a variety of different devices. So I find it works great with my Samsung Galaxy phone, but again, it will be able to handle things like a MacBook or a Chromebook with that very high power charging. So that's really great to see. Again, with that GAN technology, all of that capability is in this package that's very small, very compact, very easy to travel with. And you've got this range of different output voltages for the smart charging. Everything from all the way down at the bottom, 5 volts, up to, if your device can handle it, 20 volts at 3.25 amps, which is, again, quite a lot of power. And the nice thing with this is that it's actually got enough power that in many cases you can plug 3 devices in and charge them simultaneously and have no problem doing that. And again, it is fast charging, so you can charge at usually the fastest speed your device can handle. If it can handle, again, all the way up to that 20 volt fast charging power, this device, this Baseus charger, can output it. So I'm really excited, happy to be using this. And again, I just keep it plugged in out of my workshop here, plug my phone in. In fact, I'm producing this on my phone now, and it's plugged into the charger. It's keeping me topped up and working great.